Hey guys, it's Esther and welcome back to another editing tutorial. Without further ado, let's get started with this incredible 4K Ultra HD transformative video tutorial. Open the Capcut app, import our clip, either an image or video. Tap adjust, then tap graphs. We put all colors in this position. Let's tap effect, video effect, and search for blur under trending. Tap the blur effect and we extend it to the end of our clip. Then we go ahead to export it. After exporting, we can import the raw clip again, but no, we will just go back and delete all effects created, both the blur and adjust effect. Tap overlay and add the newly exported video, adjust it to fit the screen properly, and then go ahead to tap splice. Scroll to board and set it to 24. After that, we tap back and tap our overlay, tap add overlay and import the white stock image. Let's just extend this to the end of our video. Now while we are still on the white footage, we tap splice and then overlay. Set this to whatever looks good and authentic for the image or video. I will just set mine to 84. Now let's see the transformative results. I hope you found this video valuable. Do give me a feedback in the comment section if you did. Share to others who might be in need of this content. Hit that subscribe icon and we'll definitely catch up in my next one.